Pisces, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing your reading from 21st to 30th of June for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. So this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be notified about my latest readings. Okay, so I'll be looking at some of your past energies, your present energies as well as your future energies, and then I will take a couple of cards from the universe. So we'll see what the universe has to tell to you. Okay. So let's get started about your reading now. Let's see. So the overall energy of yours is Two of Cups. Two of Cups tell us about something, some kind of partnership, some kind of that kind of energy where you feel very happy with whatever you have, whether it's a partnership, whether it's a relationship, whether a friendship. So this is just a soulmate card. So it doesn't always mean that there should be an opposite gender for that soulmate card. You need a person, your lover basically. That is not a soulmate card. Your soulmate can be your friend, your partner, your mother, your father, anyone. So basically your energy is saying that you have found your soulmate, you know who your soulmate is, and you are basically happy with whatever you have, and you just want to continue living with that thing. Okay. So your past energies, the cards for the past energies are Ten of Cups, Knight of Cups and Four of Cups. A lot of emotions involved in your past, I see. There was something, good, something came towards you, some kind of proposal or some kind of communication, something came towards you, but I see that there is some kind of rejection from your side. I don't know why did that happen, but might be not a rejection for that offer, might be some kind of other things basically, so that you can, because I see that there is a family bonding with the Ten of Cups and with the Four of Cups. See, with the Ten of Cups, it's like there is a start of a stable relationship, a very emotional bond, and with the Four of Cups, it's like not accepting, don't want to accept that. Might be some kind of new family. You might be traveling towards a new state, new city, new country, whatever, and you are not ready to accept that thing emotionally, because cups involves emotions. So you know that this thing is going to happen, but you are not ready to accept it emotionally. In your present energies, I see the Fool, Six of Rods and the Chariot. So I also see that you have left that energy of not accepting, and now you are ready to take that leap of faith. With the Fool card, you are ready to take that chance, and with the Chariot, I see that you are ready to go further with whomsoever you are feeling the Two of Cups with. So that emotional energy, you are going towards some kind of passionate energy, which I see. And with the Six of Rods, I also see that you are ready to become victorious. You are ready to see something new, explore something new. Okay, so in your future, which I see you waiting for this thing to happen really fast now, because before you were not ready to accept it, but then you finally accepted that okay fine, I'm ready to take that leap of faith. In your future you are ready to, you're waiting for that thing to happen fast, and it is coming towards you, and it's very passionate energy. So with the high priestess, it's like, but still you are a little emotional, a little thinking a lot, you know, that kind of energy where you think that the high priestess is like a little moody kind of a behavior which I see in your coming future. Like you are ready for the change, but still you are from your heart, you are still not ready somewhere. Okay, so I'll clarify the cards now. Let's see the Two of Cups. Yeah. The cards are Six of Swords, Three of Wands, and Nine of Wands. So it's like that you want to go forward. You are waiting for this thing to happen. You are ready for the change, but somewhere you are still blocking yourself, or I don't know what is this kind of energy which you have. You're wanting this thing to happen, but still you are confused. Not confused, basically you are just not wanting to let go of some things. You just want to stay here for a while, but still I see you mentally, you are ready to move on with whatever situation you are dealing with. Okay, I'll clarify the Knight of Cups in your past energies. Oh my god, how many cards? So for the Knight of Cups, the cards are the Lovers, Strength, Page of Pentacles, and the Magician. Oh my god, so many major arcanas you are getting, Pisces. What is it? Okay. So this energy which came towards you in the past, you know, there is a very beautiful energy which I see. You met someone, you might have relocated to some place, you might have uh, found a new job, or there's something new, and you are so patient about this. I see your energies are so calm for this thing to happen. Emotionally you are not ready, but still you are very calm about it. With the Page of Pentacles, you are that curious child, you want to explore this new thing, and if this is your career related, it's like you are ready. See the infinite signs in both the strength, over the strengths, this lady's head and the magician's head. So this is something which you want, and this will give you a lot of happiness, I see. And the thing which you were afraid of was your independence, which I see. With this new thing coming towards you, whether it's your job, whether it's a new person, whatever is this, you were afraid, I see, about this new, about your independence, about you being yourself. It's like, oh my god, this new change will bring so much of changes in your life, that what about you, what about your passion, what about your dreams? So there is that kind of fear which I see, which was in your past energies. Let's clarify the Four of Cups. Okay, so Four of Wands, the Page of Wands, and Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, so that rejection was actually, I see that because of leaving home, or finding a new home, relocating to a new home, doing a lot of work, a lot of research for a new home. Basically, might be you are working. See, this person is working so hard and to find a new home. So this card means that, or you are working so hard so that you can buy a new home. You can just if you are a career person, if it is involved for your career, so you might be finding a new job. So that is why you are working from home as well. I see that, and so that you can get a good job. And with the Page of Wands, it's like, yeah, you are still a newbie in this thing. You just want to explore the new things in your life. So that is why this new things this change is actually making you afraid, which was making you afraid. But now I don't see you in that kind of energy anymore. Let's clarify the Fool. So for the Fool, we have got 8 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles, and Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so this new leap of faith which you are ready to take is making you a little confused again, because at one place you are feeling again there is something like you want to explore this very badly. You want it because you see a lot of stability in this new thing. If it's a job, you see that stability, but still you feel there's a confusion. See, with this two of Pentacles, this person is juggling between, oh my god, what about my life, what about my home life, what about my job, what about, so these are too many questions coming in your mind. And with the 8 of Swords, you are feeling like, oh my god, whether if I do this, am I not trapping myself? What if I'll be trapped? What if I won't be able to do some things for myself? And with this Queen of Pentacles, I see that you will still see this thing, a very stable beginning, whatever this is, whatever your situation is. If it's something new in your project, if it's something related to your new company, you are starting a new project, there are too many questions involved in front of you, and that is why you are a little confused because of this. But this thing is actually because you are very new in this thing. This is something new for you. That is why you are ready to take that risk. But with that risk, there are many questions coming up in your mind. Let's clarify 6 of Rods. Yeah, same thing again. With the 6 of Rods, this is a very victorious card, which is like, okay, so finally I am here. Whatever I wanted in my life, I got it. And finally I have actually achieved this thing. But still you are a little confused with the 2 of Wands. You are like, oh my god, but what if it doesn't succeed? What if wherever you are, what if this doesn't happen, it doesn't happen? So too many questions are there in your mind. But with the King of Pentacles, again, a lot of stability. This is the person you are dealing with. I see this is the other person, or with the other situation which you are dealing with. This situation or this person is very stable actually, from mind and from financially also. I see this person is very stable, very ground to earth. Whatever project is this, it will give you a lot of success, which I see. And basically this both these cards, they are the moving on cards, Chariot and the Eight of Wands. So this communication will happen and you have to say yes. So Chariot is basically a card for those people who are, if you are confused in your life right now, so this card indicates that no, there's no time for confusion. You have to do it. There is no, I don't listen, no. I am here for saying yes. Because that is why in your present energy you got two chariots. See? Two chariots. So you have to move on. This card is telling you. Do not bring so many questions in front of me. What if this? What if that? No, you have to go on with this journey. And this was meant to be your journey, so you have to come sit on my chariot and let's move on. So this is what this is telling you. Let's clarify chariot. And this is coming really fast with the Knight of Swords. Oh my god. Ace of Wands, new beginnings. A very beautiful new beginning is here. So why are you afraid? When this is telling you, the hand is coming towards you with this passionate new beginning. So why are you afraid, my Pisces? There's nothing to be afraid of. Six of Rods again. It will give you a lot of victory, a lot of happiness. And with the King of Swords. But there is one little but, that whatever the things might be, in future, there are many things, there are ups and downs in life. You just have to think sometimes from your mind. This is that card. That fine, your emotions are so much involved in this new beginning, you are passionate, but do not let your strength, do not let your mental strength and intelligence let you weak. So whatever you are doing, do not stop that. Whatever past things you were doing, if you are doing your some kind of hobby job, do not leave that. If like you are a painter, or you are a writer, or you craft, or you do crafting as well, and you have got a new opportunity, something new business, some kind of manager, you have to be in some other work. So this card is telling you, okay, fine, you have a very beautiful new beginning ahead in your life, which I see, but do not stop doing the things which you were doing from in your past. Okay, so this is that message. Let's clarify the High Priestess in your future energy. The Emperor. The cards are in your future with the High Priestess. I see the Emperor, Five of Wands and Ten of Swords. Something is ending. There are conflicts I see, something is ending, some kind of dominance I see in your future cards. It might be you as well, Pisces. I really see that if you are being the High Priestess in your future, High Priestess is very good till the time she is quiet. But when she speaks, when the things in front of her, they go wrong, or she is in her moody state, because Pisces, this card shows with the High Priestess, it shows that the phases of moon, sometimes, what kind of mood, what kind of moon phase you are in. So I see that because of your bad mood, you might not be able to take decisions properly. If you're with the Emperor card, with this card, it means that you are that Emperor, you are being dominated. No, not you are not being dominated, you are dominating some situation. You are saying no to that situation which I see, and that is actually the conflicts are arising because of that thing, and which I see something ending because of that thing, because of that mood of yours. I see communication problem over here. I don't know why, but it feels like. And one more thing to you Pisces, the Mercury retrograde is here. So just take decisions. Just be, if you are communicating someone, just look at your words. Whatever you are speaking, just think and then speak, because this time will be a little hard. It can be a little hard till July 12th. It will be little harsh time might be going for you. So your mood swings might happen. So that is why this thing which I see in future. I want to clarify this Three of Rods as well. Let's clarify. Why is it happening? Why are you being so moody? The cards are Temperance, Eight of Cups and Death. Something is ending over here, because of it is might be the decision which you took is a little, you took whatever decision you are in, because with the King of Swords I told you, you have to take the decision which is right for you. You have to be in that phase, and if you do not meet that situation, you are that person that you will leave. You are ready to leave the situation, and you are not ready to take the risk for your life, but you are taking the risk in the present. So what's happening in the future? I don't know why this kind of a leaving energy is there, some kind of transformation, and you are leaving this situation because you cannot balance the imbalance issue, I see. And with the transformation card, it's like you are ready to think. Between your mind and heart, there is a lot of thinking has to be done in your future, and that is why there is a hope, there is a room for transformation, and that is why you do not see yourself going towards that direction. That is why I see you leaving the situation. So because I really feel that there is something which you feel that which is not right for you. There the communication has been done. Whatever you wanted to communicate, whatever you wanted to tell the other person or the other party, whatever situation you are in, you have cleared everything between you two. But still there are some things which are not known to you. They were actually not known to you, and then you get to know some things. That is why you are going to take that decision of moving on, letting things just be like that. I don't know why this negative energy is coming towards me for your future. Because your past, you thought about it. In your present also, you were fine to go with the flow, to take that risk, to take that new risk in life, new journey. So what's happening in the future? Some kind of issues I see, because of those issues, because of your harmony is actually very much in danger. Your peace is not there, I see. That is why because when you thought that your peace is not there, your mental peace, your inner calmness is being disturbed, so you took the step, and you will be ready to move on. Okay. So we'll just clarify we'll see the cards from the universe. Let's see what the universe has to share about it. The Page of Rods, King of Swords and the Magician. Yeah, the universe is telling you, the message from the universe is that use your mind, because you are so talented, you have a lot of things. I really feel that this is something which you are feeling attracted towards. With the page of rods, it's telling you this is some kind of attraction which you are seeing in front of you. You are ready to move forward with that thing, but it is just a page still. So you have to think about it a little more. If you are feeling, if only one person, with the High Priestess, I really feel that you are looking towards your energy. You are actually listening to your gut feeling. So that is why you took this step, because it is not actually entertaining you very much for a long term. So you are going to take a step for this thing, and it is telling you to take some decision from your mind. Just think about it. Do not just look towards the attraction, towards that thing which is attracting you. Do not just stop looking towards that thing. And because you are so talented, see, with the Magician you have everything on your table. You have your good mind, you have that passion, you have emotions, you have money. So why are you taking this risk? The universe is telling you, it is giving you a hint. Okay, so I just hope you liked my reading, Pisces, and that's all from my side. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.